of the 1987 Constitution. Be able to have this be passed at the timetable as early as part of 2027 because timetable is very important. Ang mutayumot nga eleksyon ti 2028 national ken local. The budget for 2028 will be submitted not later than June of 2027. So nga kaya tayo ma-approveran tapno ti budget of an autonomous region will be included already in the budget for 2028. That will be submitted in June of 2027. Tapno no kasya sa una kat nalpas ti plebiscite amen kat no kasya mabalin we can have the first regional autonomous election no 2028 that will jive with the national and local election. Otherwise no may pasabi diay kat we cannot be included in the plan. Aga point that the OIC in the meantime that we will wait for the next election unless we can have a special election for the autonomous region. Kung makita na talagang kurang tayo dito, muna ada pa lang nagiti ang makaawat in our own area. So nga, ituloy tayo the grassroots consultation. And we are pleading to all the local government units that they conduct the respective information dissemination together with the line agencies. Because something liplipatan the line agencies are existing in our region because of EO 220. And if you look at their obligation in number 3 of the purposes of EO 220 is to prepare the region into an autonomous status. And then second, we have to convince the national government that this is a priority. Naibagak dahil ito. I'm not advocating for trying to achieve autonomy through peaceful means. Na may consider na priority. Bagak dahil man di kalmanin. Pauna yun. Papulang sakit nga, gugubat tayo dito. Because if you will know, ginang, inis, inbugina ni Apo Father Balwon, but ito yun. Napirmaan dahil Mount Data Pispa. This is very important because this was done before the enactment of the 1987 Constitution, and this is also the principal reason why Executive Order 220 had been enacted. So makasya nga ito again, I make it clear that I am not advocating for more Cordilleras, and we will continue to achieve through peaceful means the autonomy of the Cordilleras, and hopefully through peaceful means we will be able to deliver the message to the national government na priority po ito in our region.